All right, so now let's do our network address translation lab. To do so, I will go to my VMware, open my client, and we're going to go to local traffic, address translation, and then NAT list. We'll create a new one. Okay, I'll give it a name. I'll call it NAT underscore 200 underscore TO underscore 2. IP address is going to be 10.10.4.200. Origin address is going to be 172.16.20.2, and that's one of our servers. And then we'll click Finished. And if we open a browser to that address we just typed in, which is the 10.10.4.200, HTTP 10.10.4.200, and you can see we're directed to server 2, which is the address we put in for the translation. So this is showing us it's translating our IP address from 10.10.4.200 to the server address 172.16.20.2. Okay, so now we'll go back to our big IP. We'll delete the NAT we just set up, and we'll do SNAT. So just click on it, delete, and yes. Okay, now we'll go to our SNAT list and create. All right, for SNAT, I will name this SNAT underscore NW underscore 1010X. IP address will be 172.16.4.201. Okay, and then in the origin, we will select address list. We'll select our network. Our network is going to be 10.10.4.0. Our net mask will be 255.255.2550. And we'll select add. I already had this in from previous. I'll delete this real quick. Okay. And then we should be able to finish with just the defaults. To test SNAT, we could open our browser to IP address 10.10.4.100, and we're on server 2, which is the 172.16.20.2. Okay, we could also go to HTTPS 10.10.4.101. I'll just change that now. We'll continue. And now we're on the HTTPS server. So what you see here is the address 172.16.4.201 translating to 10.10.4.0 network, which is then sending us to our web servers. Okay, now that we know SNAT works, we'll delete this. And delete. Now we can test SNAT auto map on virtual servers. So if we go to virtual servers, we could click the VS HTTPS. And if we scroll all the way down, source address translation, we'll add auto map, we'll update, And now if we open a browser to http://10.10.4.100 and then go to source IP address, we can see that our IP address is 10.10.4.30 and we're being redirected to 172.16.20.3. Okay, now if we open our browser, we'll just change this address to https://10.10.4.101. And now we're on the HTTPS server. We'll do source IP address. And you can see that we're being redirected from 4.33 to 172.16.20.1. Okay, and if you've forgotten, you're probably wondering what this 4.33 is. So if we go back to our network map, you can see that 4.33 is actually our floating internal IP address. So we're using that to SNAT with our virtual servers. Thanks for watching.